Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add contact form in card.co website. So first, log into your card.co and go to the website that you want to add it form. And here, click on this add or plus button. You can see here a form. Click on it and here it is. You can select what type it is, if it's contact or sign up. Of course, it is contact. You can add your email or the recipient email. You can add a completion message like a message like this and thank you. And here you can input the name like this one. Wait, let's try to resize it. There you go. Spacing and margins. As you can see here, you can put the name, email, and message. Look at here. There's the name, email, and message. So basically, you can edit it the way you want. After editing, simply click on done, and that's basically it.